Members of the Texas Civil Rights Project want to change the way some law enforcement agencies execute search warrants.
They say it should be mandatory for an officer or deputy sheriff to knock and announce themselves before entering a home. That is not what most departments do, however. KXAN's Lindsey Bramson digs deeper into this story.
Representatives for the Civil Texas Rights Project are demanding change when it comes to law enforcement agencies executing search warrants. Last December, a deputy with Burleson County was shot and killed by the homeowner after entering a home without knocking.
We're trying to encourage everybody to develop these written policies, what the standards are, and with the idea that we can avoid these sorts of situations.
Right now, every department is different. We learned some don't even have written policies in place when it comes to knock and announce. One of those departments is the Travis County Sheriff's Office. A spokesperson for the Sheriff's Office says they don't have a written policy in place because, frankly, they don't think they need one. And whether or not they knock and announce themselves, he says, depends on the case.
If it's a no-knock warrant, there has to be something in place, some kind of probable cause to believe that it's necessary, and a judge has to agree to that and has to approve it.
Hundreds of scenes just like this where the SWAT team executes search warrants play out in Central Texas every day. The Sheriff's Office says everyone goes through training to do everything they can to keep everyone, including the suspect, safe. Lindsey Bramson, KXAN News.
We wanted to know what the Austin Police Department's policy is regarding knock and announce. A detective tells us today it's department practice to always knock and identify themselves before entering a home. But in special cases, they can ask a judge to approve a no-knock order. Earlier this month, a grand jury in Burleson County east of Austin decided not to charge the man who shot and killed a sheriff's deputy during a no-knock search warrant. Deputies there came to search for drugs at the home of Henry McGee in December 19th of last year. When they broke through the door, McGee shot and killed Deputy Sheriff Adam Soders. The grand jury decided that McGee thought he was shooting in self-defense at someone who was breaking into his home. McGee was indicted, however, for possession of marijuana.